Why is the sky blue? Ever wonder why the sky is blue during the day? It's one of the most common questions people ask about nature, and the answer lies in physics and light. Let's dive into the science behind why the sky looks the way it does. Welcome to Inside Academy. Today, we're tackling a classic question: why is the sky blue? It's not magic or a simple coincidence, it's actually a fascinating result of how light interacts with our atmosphere. Let's break down the science behind this natural phenomenon and discover what makes the sky appear blue. 1. The sun and light waves. To understand why the sky is blue, we need to start with sunlight. Sunlight, also known as white light, is made up of a spectrum of colors, from red to violet. Each of these colors has a different wavelength, with red having the longest wavelength and violet having the shortest. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it encounters molecules and particles in the air, which scatter the light in all directions. 2. The role of Rayleigh scattering. This scattering of light is what causes the sky to appear blue. The phenomenon is known as Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist who discovered it, Lord Rayleigh. Because blue light has a shorter wavelength compared to other colors like red or yellow, it's scattered more easily by the gases and particles in the atmosphere. This scattering is what makes the sky appear predominantly blue to our eyes during the day. 3. Why not violet? Since violet light has an even shorter wavelength than blue light, you might think the sky should be violet. But there's a reason it's blue instead. First, although violet light is scattered more than blue, our eyes are more sensitive to blue light. Additionally, some of the violet light is absorbed by the upper atmosphere, which helps to filter it out. So, while violet light is scattered, blue light dominates our view of the sky. 4. The sky at different times of day. As the day progresses, the color of the sky can change. During sunrise and sunset, the sun's light has to pass through more of the atmosphere, which scatters more of the shorter wavelength blue and violet light. As a result, the longer wavelength colors like red and orange become more prominent, giving us the stunning colors we see during those times. 5. Other factors that affect sky color. The color of the sky can also be affected by other factors, such as pollution or the presence of dust and smoke particles. These particles can scatter light differently, leading to variations in the sky's color. On particularly polluted days, the sky might appear more gray or even reddish during the day, because of the scattering of light by larger particles. So, the next time you look up and see the sky painted in blue, you'll know it's because of Rayleigh scattering, the shorter wavelength of blue light, and how our eyes perceive it. It's a simple yet beautiful result of how light interacts with the atmosphere. Nature's wonders always have a scientific explanation, and the color of the sky is no exception. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey. If you enjoyed learning about why the sky is blue, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or thoughts about this or other natural wonders. See you next time on Inside Academy.